All right, here's an update. I haven't done one in a while. And I still don't have any progress on my loft. I really need to get aviaries and traps built. These are my first round young birds here. Looking pretty good. You can see I'll have to seal off the ceiling here because it'll be a real struggle to try to catch these birds when I start training them. I really wish I had them loft flying right now. They're right at the point where they should be out flying around the loft, so I need to get going on that, kind of behind the gun. I've got my second rounders in the breeding loft. 12 of them hatched out already, maybe another 10 or so will hatch out in the next week. Some of these birds, especially the blue bars, are from Mark, Ace in the Hole Loft. And I want to get a shot of some of these so I can see how they were looking. So that's pretty much it. Not much to report other than birds are doing pretty good. This one right here with the white, blue bar white flights. You can see the back of its head is missing some feathers. It's kind of come back a little bit. But that one really got scalped good in the loft by one of the older birds. And I actually moved it in here to the young bird loft a lot sooner than I would have liked to because I was afraid it was just going to get beat up too bad. And it's done really well. But that's pretty much it. We'll see if we can get them to come down here and eat. They don't like eating the peas, so they always leave them left over. Today I have their feed coated in some flaxseed oil and some whey protein powder. I try to do that about twice a week right now while they're young birds. See if they're interested in coming down to eat. I kind of stirred them up a little bit. Probably not real hungry because they had food left over, but a couple of really nice looking grizzles. Those two are nest mates. If I can get them. And they're Tournier Houben cross. I don't know if you really call that a grizzle right there, but anyways, that's my birds for now.